need to open it up. Let me pause the music and go in chat. Hello, Kyle. Kyle? Hello? Kyle? Where are you? I can't speak so loud. The ceiling. Oh, my Jima's in the background. I don't think she knows what's going on. I don't know how to do my overlay on Sea of Thieves, so we'll try this. Yeah, I have no idea where Kyle went. I kind of want to see if I can, like, how other people set up their things, you know? Some people have it at the bottom right corner. I guess I could do that. Or I can just do a little lower. 어쩌나. What is that game about? It seems like it's pretty big, but I don't know what it's about. I hope she doesn't come in here and see that I'm like recording myself and she's like, "What are you doing?" Um, okay, I need to sign into Xbox Live, like on my account, not on Kyle's. Oh, and then we can probably play. But I don't know why he's not answering me. You fight people, that's it? Is it is it a cute game? Kyle? Why does it say he's playing on Salicious account? Okay, I'm sorry, chat, but I'm gonna call him quick because he was legit just here. I don't know where he might have went. So, yeah, I'm just gonna call him quick.
Hello? What?
So he is currently making food, guys. So I guess we're just gonna do just chatting for a bit. Let's go back to playing some music. And let's just chill for a bit because Kyle is doing stuff. Okay, sorry, Des. Back to what we were talking about. There's a battle royale mode in that game. I want to go check it out here. Let me go look it up on my own. Mord? I don't even know how to say it. Mordao? TSM Choco. This cat needs to go. He can't be up here doing this. Oh, okay, I see it now. Let me know if I'm a little quiet. I have to be quiet.
Okay.
You're back? So are we starting this?
You are pretty quiet.
Me?
Yeah, but I'm gonna turn you up in Discord a lot.
Yeah, you should, because I don't want to be talking so loud because my grandma's in the other room.
Okay, I'm putting you on 200%.
Okay. Am I quiet on Twitch? Do you know, Kyle? I'm just gonna keep talking. Hello, hello. Just gonna keep talking.
Hey.
The guy is... Oh, Kyle's louder than me? Yeah, it's gonna have to be that way. What if I just put my gameplay lower than my voice? Would that work? Let me know if that would work. Stop it, Aspen. You're not coming up here. Stop it. I sound fine right now? Okay. Yeah, I gotta be quiet because I have my grandma in the living room and I don't want to be like, oh, being all obnoxious. And then she comes in, she's like, what are you doing, Bao? You know? You know? Okay, sorry, I was talking to Des. I should probably put myself on mute, but at the same time, it's only you, Kyle. And I talk to you a lot, so he's just a little
Yeah,
loud.
you do.
Turn him down? Why? Then I can't hear him. Stop it, Aspen. He's so. Wait, Kyle, if you're loud in my stream, how do I fix this? Stop!
Can you turn me down on Discord?
I did, but then like I'm not gonna be able to hear you. Like you're super low for me right now. You're at 40%. No. Aspen's like meowing at me to like put him up here.
That's the only thing I can think of.
Okay, how does it sound now? Cause like I do have my mic volume super high.
I mean,
Like
I had turned pretty low, but I can hear you still.
he sounds fine now. Okay, thanks Des. Thank you. Maybe I should just talk louder, I guess. Okay, let's get this thing started. You ready, Kyle?
Yep.
Okay, let me open it up again and see if it actually like lets me log in and everything. But yeah, Des, how have you been tonight? Have you been getting a lot of sleep?
Yeah.
Wait, Kyle, can you hear me like in stream? Kyle?
Yeah.
Like, is my audio good?
Yeah, it seems it should be loud enough. Like I can hear you decent with it at like half volume.
Okay. Um, I'm putting my like master volume for the game kind of low just in case.
Okay.
How am I doing? My sister just graduated today, so that's something good. And what else? I was really tired for some reason, and my stomach has been in a lot of pain, but I did some business and now I am feeling better. Cal, do you want to make the game and invite me? Yeah. And then like this lipstick I actually have on right now.
We're
It
still
was
doing the
like,
galleon. What?
yeah, wait.
I signed into my account, but I'm still Cell's name. What the hell?
Yeah, I see that too. But yeah, Dad's oh yeah, it's good for my sister. What was I gonna say about this lipstick? It's actually pretty expensive. And like it was like $9 and I just decided that I'm just gonna like put Kyle, are you logged into Xbox Live on your account?
Oh.
Yeah.
Um.
Do that and then
What?
invite me. I totally forgot where I was going with this lipstick idea. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah, it is super red,
Man, I
but
gotta sign
like,
Cell out. I feel bad. I'm signing
oh,
her out of more and more things.
well then you can just not sign her out.
I could just play it, I suppose.
Up to you. But I sign you out. But yeah, it was so expensive. I made sure to put on a lot so that. Hold up. I don't know why the game is not capturing. My game is not being captured on stream. Kyle?
Um. Are you in windowed or something? We're supposed to be full screen.
I am in full screen right now.
Um. I don't know.
Oops, I don't mean to exit back to desktop. Yeah, that is weird.
I guess maybe try restarting it. Like you alt tabbed one too many times, or something, and it's like buggy.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Let me try that. Okay. Who's all there? Why do I hear like
Sea of Thieves
so?
with her?
Huh?
Look at my character. Yeah. Pirate. Is that is Boss Family still here?
Yeah.
Oh, is she
Well,
streaming?
yeah. They all went to Endgame Avengers. Yeah, probably. But she's just sitting out. Grim.
Oh, you like my character?
I don't even see your characters though. Okay, I'm so confused. It is not showing up still.
Dude, listen, I feel like I did so much that.
Hold up. I think
Breakfast
I
is
know
good.
what's wrong.
Oh.
Okay, let me open up the game again.
It's not, the game's not showing up on stream for her.
Yeah, it's still not doing it. That's weird.
Uh,
Because when you asked, oh, you got it.
No, I really wanted to play this. Um, yeah, I have no idea why this is not showing. Hold up, I need to go put in eye drops.
oh shit, it's Ben. What's that, dude? Hello? What's up? Oh my god, you guys are going DT?
Hello? Hello?
You already DT? Holy. Well, um, maybe if I
It's
do
like
some
rolling
pre-gaming,
down.
I'll think about it.
Took a couch.
You about to leave?
Cause, cause like I'm at Stella's place right now, so I'm literally right there. But yeah.
Oh, couch. I know.
Uh, I'm not coming yet though. Like, I'm trying to play Sea of Thieves with Bao for a stream.
It's not capturing. This is the worst thing ever. Yeah, Kyle, I don't know how this is gonna work because it's really not. I'm trying everything I could. I don't really know. Okay, let me end the stream and try it again, okay, guys?